Hi, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can run this pressure washer without using water from a faucet like the backyard faucet. This is important in case you want to use the pressure washer where you can't even run water from a faucet because water is tight in a remote location like this. I'm going to show you how you can run the pressure washer from this bucket right here. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you fill up your bucket right here. Like I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to fill up this bucket right now. Now what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to remove your hose from this faucet right here. You're going to need to remove the hose from this faucet right here. Remove it like I'm doing right here. And then this end is going to get in to the bucket right here. This end is going to go in the bucket. Right there. That end is going to go in the bucket right there. Doesn't matter that it goes out because you can always put it in back. Put your hose in like this. And then you want to grab your other hose, this hose, and put it into the pressure washer like this. You want to put it into your pressure washer like this. Right there. Until you feel it to be tight and you can't move it anymore. And then what you want to do is you want to turn on your pressure washer right here. But make sure make sure that the gun right here is out of this nozzle right here. Just so we can verify that it works. Then what you need to do is turn on your pressure washer like this. You want to put it onto the cold start if you need to. But for me, I already ran this. So I'm going to put it in the warm start right there. Then you want to start it right here, like this. Now that you verify the water comes out, what you need to do is have your sprayer right here. You want to have your sprayer right here, this nozzle, to go into this hole right here where it has yellow. Put that in right there. This is going to be a bit tight, so it doesn't matter. Just screw it in. Right here, screw this in. This sometimes it's tricky, so just screw it in to where you can't anymore. Right there. then you want to grab the gun, the sprayer right here. You want to grab the sprayer, leave it there for a minute, and then you want to turn on your sprayer again. I mean, you want to turn on your pressure washer right here again. Do the same settings I told you before. You saw it there that it sprayed? That's because I didn't have it in all the way right there. You want to make sure you have this super tight right here. Here, make sure it goes all the way in. Because I didn't have it all the way in and that happened. Now, you want to start it up again, the same procedure I told you before. Now, what you want to do is use the sprayer. Now, what I want you to do is before you even turn on your pressure washer, to check that your hoses are tight, because I do not want it to leak when you turn on your pressure washer. Make sure your hoses are tight and water is not leaking. Now, when you turn on your pressure washer, I want you to make sure that your water is not leaking, because if it's leaking, you will have water spilling all over yourself, and water is not going to be pressurizing right, because you are using water from a bucket and you're using water in a remote location where you cannot connect a hose to a faucet, and water is limited at your location where you're going to be using it. Now, what I want you to do is make sure you have an extra gallon of water in a tank, because as you see right here, the water is not flowing constantly and it's not pressurizing at a constant speed. You see right there, water is not flowing as fast as you want it to be pressurizing right there. That's because you're using a bucket and water needs to come from the hoses to the pressure washer and then to the sprayer. And you are using a bucket which water is not really flowing super fast from the faucet. So that's why I recommend that you use an extra gallon of water so that you can build up pressure in the pressure washer, and so that the water in the hoses have pressure inside of them. So that's why I recommend that you use a pressure washer or an extra gallon of water in a tank. I recommend that you have an extra gallon of gas with you so you do not lose your pressure when you are pressure washing, because I do not want you to lose your stream of pressure that you have when you're pressure washing. So that's why I want you to have an extra gallon of gas in your tank. Now I'm going to tell you about the bucket. This bucket right here this bucket right there will finish up with this pressure washer in about 24 to 30 minutes. You will have 20 to 30 minutes to use this pressure washer with this bucket right there, because this bucket right here, this pressure washer right here, as you see, it's 2.4 gallons per minute. So that's why it will take about 20 to 30 minutes for this bucket right here to go completely empty right there. Sometimes it will take even more depending on the bucket that you use right here. Depending on the bucket that you use and the pressure washer that you have, the numbers might change. So just experiment right here. So that's it for this video, guys, on how to run a pressure washer from this bucket of water right here. So please like and comment down below what you thought of this video, in case you want to know how to pressure wash without using this faucet right here. Right here, without using this faucet. Please like and comment down below what you think of this video.